Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert checkbox in Excel. Whether you are building a to-do list, tracking completed tasks, or just love clicking tiny boxes, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's get started. I have a spreadsheet here. It includes a simple list of tasks, and we will be inserting checkboxes next to each one to mark them as complete. To insert a checkbox, we need to use a developer tab which may not be visible by default. Here's how to enable it. Click on the File menu, scroll down and click Options. In the Excel Options window, click Customize ribbon on the left sidebar. On the right side, you will see a list of tabs. Tick the checkbox that says Developer. Hit OK to save the changes. Now that we have got the Developer tab showing, let's actually insert our first checkbox. Click on the Developer tab, hit Insert. You will see two sections pop up: Form Controls and ActiveX Controls. Form Controls, that's the top section, is perfect for the basic checkbox use. ActiveX is for advanced stuff. Macros, coding, weird automation things. We don't need that. Unless you're planning to automate your Excel to make you coffee, stick to Form Controls. I will go ahead and click the checkbox. Now your cursor turns into a plus sign. Go ahead and click anywhere in the cell where you want the checkbox. You can see there's a frame around the checkbox, so it's easy to move the box or change or remove the default text. As the checkbox is sitting inside a frame, that whole frame is clickable. That's a checkbox active area. Even if you click outside the actual box, like next to it or even outside the cell, Excel might still tick the box. That's because the frame is oversized. This can mess with your sheet if the checkbox spills into nearby cells. I will right-click the checkbox to bring it into edit mode. You will see little white circles around it. Those are the resize handles. Drag them to shrink the box and tighten the active area, so it stays inside the cell. This makes sure the checkbox works the way you expect. Click it, it ticks. Click outside, nothing happens. Clean UX. Alright, our first checkbox is all set. Now let's quickly add it to the rest of the rows. Simply click on the cell containing the box and drag its bottom right hand corner down all the rows. And in case if you are looking to delete a checkbox, simply right click the checkbox, select cut, and it's gone. And that's it. Now you know how to add checkboxes in Excel like a pro. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.